Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Clicksfly, and maybe you're wondering, can you really earn money by shortening URL? Okay, how does this work? Is this legit, or are there better ways to make money online out there? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out Clicksfly to see whether this is a good way to make money or not. Okay, now Clicksfly is basically a link URL shortener. Okay, there's a lot of these types of softwares out there where you can basically take a very long and ugly link, depending on what you're promoting online. You can come here, you can drop your link in here, they'll make it nice and short, and then it will redirect you to, or redirect whoever clicks on it to whatever URL you want to send them to. Okay, so a lot of marketers will use this to take their long ugly affiliate links and make it short and nice, but Clicksfly allows you to actually earn a little bit of money for every click that you get as well. All right, so this is why you may have seen this on social media. Maybe you saw somebody promoting this and you're wondering, you know, can you make money just from getting people to click on your link? Okay, now the answer is yes, but at the same time, watch till the end of this video, because you might not necessarily want to use Clicksfly after you find out how difficult it actually is to make money with this particular link shortener. Okay, so this is how it works. If you log in, and you can just click on here, add something, add a link here, and it'll direct you to sign up, right? So this is my account. Okay, now if you want to shorten a link, you would just go to new shortened link, right? So I'm going to click on that, and I've added Google, and I clicked on link shortener, and it gave me this little link right here. All right, now if I take this link, okay, and I was to paste it up here, basically this is what people are going to see. All right, so I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna paste it in my browser right here, and so it's a nice little link right there. People will click on this, you will make money from this, but let me click enter and you're gonna see what's gonna happen next. Okay, so I'm gonna click on it. Now in theory this should work very nicely, but this is what people actually see. Instead of being redirected to the website I want, which is Google, right? What they do is they have an intermediate web page which has a whole load of ads, okay? So your user has to go through all these ads. Now when I try and click off of it, it sends me to some random page to get more advertising. Okay, this is basically how Clicksfly makes money. Okay, so I didn't want to go to Shopee, so I'm going to X out of this, and then it sends me back to this page right here. Right, it's still like, look at this, I'm gonna try and X out here, and then it sends me to another page. It sends me back to Shopee, which is one of the advertisers, right? This is again how they make money. So it's very frustrating for the user. Okay, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna try and X out. Again, it sends me to another place, which is basically Lazada, which is another big e-commerce website. I'm gonna X out, and so it's just, I had to press it 3 times now. I'm finally back on this page. Look, this banner is still blocking, and now it says 0 seconds. Okay, can I move forward? And so it's a little bit confusing, right? I've got to scroll down, and then I'm like, okay, do I click on open or continue? I don't know what to do, right? So I'm going to click on continue right here, and then now it sends me to another ad page, right? Clicksfly again for another ad. I click on next, and then it sends me back here again. That's weird. So it hasn't sent me to Google. It hasn't sent me to the website that I'm trying to send my my people who are clicking on to, right? So it's very, very confusing, right? So I would say that if you're using Clicksfly, the user experience for the person who is clicking on your link is very, very frustrating. They're never actually going to get to the link, all right, which is a bit of a pain. Now I'm going to click continue, and let's see. Okay, it still hasn't sent me back to the link. It sent me to Rev content, which is really, really weird. So let's just, okay, I'm not going to do this right now, because now I'm getting really, really frustrated, right? It doesn't even make sense. I'm going to scroll all the way down. Okay, so I don't even know how to do this. I don't know how to actually get to Google. It's very, very annoying. So look, the bottom line is, if you're using this, it's going to be an extremely bad user experience for your users. So for that reason alone, I wouldn't even recommend it. Okay, but let's go back to see how you can actually make money. Okay, so let's just say you decide, okay, Aaron, I want to use this anyway to try and make some quick money. If you come into payout rates, you're going to see the different payout rates for each of the different countries. Okay, now the top countries right here are the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, which are some pretty big countries, and they pay basically $10 to $15 for 1,000 clicks. So if somebody clicks on your link right here 1,000 times, and they're based in Canada, the UK, or the US, you're going to make between $10 and $15 for 1,000 clicks. All right. Now, that might sound simple, but getting 1,000 clicks is not a very easy thing to do. Now, if you're a marketer and you already have a big following, okay, then it's very easy. You can just drop a link like this and your followers will click, and you could probably get up to 1,000 clicks. But then the question is do you really want to send your users, your followers, to this Clicksfly link when we already saw that the user experience is so terrible, right? They're not even going to be able to go and see the thing you're trying to promote. They're going to see a whole bunch of ads, and then they're going to be wondering, why did this person send me to this bad link? Because I'm just seeing a whole bunch of ads, right? So you're going to ruin your reputation, okay? So if you're a marketer, you probably wouldn't use Clicksfly anyway, okay? Now, if you're a beginner and you're like, well, Aaron, what other ways can I use to promote my link so I can get, this income right here and get 1,000 views? Well, some of the ways is you can spam it on social media. Like you can go to groups in Facebook and spam it. You can go to forums and spam it. But you don't ever want to spam a link, because nowadays on social media, if you're spamming your links anywhere, you can get banned. Okay, and so you don't really want to be doing that anyway. So I think that to get 1,000 views, if you're a brand new person, you're a beginner, you don't know how to do it, is actually quite a difficult thing to do. Okay, so while they do pay $10 to $15 for some of the bigger countries for 1,000 views, it's actually going to be very difficult for you to get 1,000 views. All right, now let's just say you do. Okay, the payout for Clicksfly is actually only $3. So you only need to get up to $3 in order to withdraw, and you can withdraw through different methods: PayPal, Payoneer. It depends on where you live in the world. Okay, so that's kind of Clicksfly in a nutshell. It says here, join now with multiple view count and high CPM rates. Make the most money from your traffic by using short links. They pay up to $150 for 10,000 views. But the reality is you're never gonna get 10,000 views on people clicking on your link, because that's a very difficult thing to do unless you're a very experienced marketer. And we already went through, if you are an experienced marketer, there's no way that you would want to use this link, because it doesn't even send people to the right place. It just sends them in a confusing journey with all these ads. It promotes all sorts of other weird things. I mean, look at this. I didn't even click on XM Broker. That wasn't what I was trying to go to. And, I can't even get to my link. If I press continue again, look at this. It's so bad. There's just so many ads. I press next and it goes to something else. It's really, really weird. Look, I am human. To proceed, please click here, and then a whole bunch of stuff, right? Look at all this stuff. It's just a mess, okay? So what I would say is, if you want to confuse your users, if you want to ruin your reputation, then sure, go ahead and use Clicksfly. But I think that as a way to make money, this is a really, really bad way to make money. You don't even make that much anyway. And to get 1,000 views on your link is actually a very, very difficult thing to do. So I don't recommend Clicksfly at all. This is a very bad way to make money. The user experience is really bad. You're going to ruin your reputation. And also you don't really make that much per click anyway. So I don't recommend you use Clicksfly, okay? If you want to use a URL shortener, just to use a URL shortener to shorten links, there's some good ones, like for example, Bitly, which is much, much better. And all it does is it just shortens links, but you can't make any money from this, okay? This is just to shorten your long links. And if you want to make money online, I'm going to recommend some other strategies, but don't use Clicksfly. Okay, now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are interested in making money online. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to do that. The good, the bad, and the ugly, right? But out of all the good ones, I have distilled it into one strategy that I think that a beginner, someone that's got no experience, never made money online, this is your best strategy to get from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And if you would like to check that out, I've got a free masterclass that teaches that step by step. Click the link below and I'll share that with you if you would like to check it out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Clicksfly. I don't recommend this particular strategy on making money online, right? And I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.